now. So now I have this test tone at that one octave that is at, that one key that is at. Now I can go to 16 levels and right, first stage, second stage, because I have assigned the fader on the MPC sample to pitch, I can do this. But now when I go down, well, you can hear it. And that was the trick. That was the trick that we did. Everyone did it. I'm pretty certain there wasn't many people who didn't do it in that particular time frame of jungle, hardcore, breakbeat, hardcore, that kind of time. Definitely in jungle. That was what we did because we had no resources to get a sub bass, and that was the trick that we came up with. And I still use it now. So yeah,